So I'm seeing a lot of questions on the internet about something new in Sierra called Purgeable Space. To show you what I mean, you just go to the Apple menu about this Mac and then click on Storage here. And then you'll see a breakdown of what is on your Mac. And you'll see little things like apps, system, iOS files, things like that. And you'll sometimes see this little sliver here. It's only 8 gigs on this test account, but a lot of people are seeing 30, 40, 50 gigs marked as purgeable space. So what exactly does that mean? So Apple tells you a little bit about these in a support document here at this webpage. And here it basically explains that purgeable content is when you've turned on optimized Mac storage, it's stuff that can be taken off your Mac because it can be downloaded again. So let's take a look in here and click on Manage and it opens up another window. Here it is, and you can see Optimize Mac Storage. And this talks about removing iTunes movies and TV shows that you've already watched and also email attachments if the storage space is needed. These are things that can be re-downloaded again. They don't exist only on your computer. They actually exist primarily online and you're looking at a copy of them on your computer. But actually it comes from more than just this media stuff. It also comes from iCloud Drive. So if you go to System Preferences and then you look under iCloud and then you have iCloud Drive and you look at Options, one of the options here is Optimize Mac Storage. This basically allows your Mac to offload some of the files that you have so that they exist on your iCloud account but not on your Mac. They look like they exist on your Mac, but there'll be a little cloud symbol next to them, and if you try to access them it will download them again so you can view them. And it does this for files that primarily are large and that you haven't accessed in a long time. So it's going to be a minimal amount of chance that you're going to actually need those files. And this is what it means by purgeable space. So then the question people have is, okay, so how do I get back that space so I have more free space in my drive? Well, you already do. The whole idea behind purgeable space is that your Mac will free it up if you need it. So say you have 40 gigs available on your drive and 10 of them are purgeable. Well, you can consider that you've got 50 gigs available on your drive. But that extra 10 gigs is not going to do you any good if you don't need it, if it's just sitting there blank. The idea is that it's keeping iCloud Drive files and it's keeping media files there. Since you have the space, it might as well leave those files there and not offload them to iCloud. I know this is a tough concept to get your head around sometimes, but if you just consider this as space that's being used by your Mac, it has things on it, files that you can actually see like movies or files on iCloud Drive. So it's not really free space, but your Mac does recognize that if you're into trouble and you need that space, that it can get rid of it because it can easily add it back if need be.